Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's April 9th, a Monday morning, and the first thing is the reaction this morning and overnight from the unemployment number that was released on Friday when the markets were closed. We've seen some reaction in the dollar and in the stock indexes here this morning. It's putting pressure on commodities. However, grain markets haven't been affected much by that. They're actually stronger here in most cases this morning. Traders are waiting and going to be adjusting positions today ahead of USDA reports. We got a planting progress report out this afternoon at 3 o'clock. Expected to see more corn plantings last week. This coming week, there should be quite a bit of corn planted. As talking to some producers over the weekend, they are going to be planting and started planting and get to work here this week. So we're going to have a sizable amount of corn planted early, which usually means better yields in most years. Then the big report is tomorrow morning at 7:30 when the USDA comes out with their monthly supply-demand numbers. Traders are focusing on about 4 key points. One is the ending stocks for corn in the U.S., the ending stocks for soybeans in the U.S., Brazilian grain production, and Argentina corn and soybean production. Those are the key numbers, and trade right now is expecting that those numbers are going to be friendly to the market. We're seeing spreads and have seen old crop gain on new crop corn especially. And new crop beans have been holding their own because of the latest planted progress or planting intentions number that came out. So spreads have been a key factor in moving this market, and we've seen that overnight. We expect to see more of that in today's session. The livestock markets, they have, of course, haven't been open since last Thursday, so we're going to get some reaction there. We had a bit of a rebound on Thursday's trade, and with the pressure that we're seeing in outside markets, expect that we could see lower opening in the livestock simply because of that reason. However, in the hog complex, we've seen last week a breakout of this sharp downtrend and breakout to the upside. Maybe we can see some follow through there today. Cutout values, box beef was down 90 cents for choice, down 136 for select. So continuing pressure in the beef, trying to find a home for this product and a bottom in here. I think if we start to see some indication of a bottom in the beef prices, we certainly could see an improvement in futures at that time. Pork cutout values actually were higher on Friday, up 39 cents, and expect that we should be able to see more of that as we move forward and cookout season begins. We need some nice weekends ahead of us, and if we do get those, we will we'll see some better improvement in the product side of things. So look for some two-sided trade today in the grain markets. In the livestock markets, look for some support to develop underneath the market here as the technical action from last week would suggest that we are trying to put in a bottom in these livestock markets. So stay in touch with Allendale's research. If you got any questions, give us a call here at 800-262-7538. We've also got a subscription special this continuing here that for $99 you can get 6 months of the Allendale Research Center. That'll take you all the way through the major reports that we've got here coming up in the next several months. So stay in touch with Allendale. We wish you a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.